you doing? Come check this out. See that, guys? Got a nail in my tire. Damn, that sucks. You know what I mean? I know you're creeping on the side, you caught me. I mean, doing my thing. Got my shit laid out. You want to check it out? See what I'm about to do? You know what I mean? I've done this a couple of times. Fucking, let's do it again, right? So where do I start from? I'll start over here. I'm trying to get off this damn fucking. This nail. Oh shit. I didn't know I was gonna do that. And then they said to put this on. Right? Do the shit. And then pull it out. And they said put this on. I don't know. Oh shit, it's working. And then twist it and pull. Oh shit. Check that shit out. That shit worked. Wow. That was quick. That was real quick, man. I got that shit at Walmart, you know. You don't have to go to a tire shop no more. You saw what I did? That was fast. Second time we were doing that. I think second time. Did I ever done it before? I think some mechanic did it for me one time. He showed me, and I was my first time doing it. So, say, dog. Sorry to the tire shops. Y'all fucked up. I ain't paid for this shit, you know. I guess, you know, it was a quickie. I guess now I just gotta cut it off, and I'm done. But there it is. I mean, if you like this video, you know what to do. All right, it's all on you. All right, peace out, guys.